Just a week ago, I earned $240 by making AI shorts. It's amazing how easy it is. No advanced editing abilities, no costly software, just a few prompts to produce shorts like these that are trending on YouTube. What if I told you that you could do the same effortlessly just by using AI tools? In this video, I'll show you exactly step by step how I create viral miniature videos that keep earning on autopilot. But here's the deal. Miss a step, and you might not get the same results. So stay till the end and follow along. Let's get started. Step 1. Mastering the perfect AI prompts. To get top-tier results, you need the right prompts. I've already put together a master prompt list that'll help you instantly generate the best AI images and videos using ChatGPT. Copy and paste my master prompt into ChatGPT and let it generate 10 to 20 variations for you. What makes a good AI prompt? Clear subject. Define exactly what you want, e.g., mini worker repairing a watch with tiny tools. Detailed description. Specify textures, lighting, environment, and mood. Correct aspect. Ratio. Use 9:16. Perfect for Instagram Reels and TikTok. Consistency. Use similar styles across different images to maintain coherence. Boom. Just like that, you've got 10 high-quality prompts ready to go. Save them, you'll need these for the next steps. Step 2. Generating AI images. Now that the prompt is ready, the next step is generating high-quality AI images. Method 1. Using Leonardo AI. Visit Leonardo AI. Enable auto enhancement and dynamic style for improved detail. Set the resolution to 9:16 for optimal reel quality. Click Generate. Method 2. Using Piclumen AI. Visit Piclumen AI. Select the Create tab. Paste the same AI prompt from the previous step. Choose the flux. Do one model for the best results. Click Generate. Once satisfied with the generated image, download it to use in the animation step. Step 3. Turning AI images into animated videos. Static images alone won't generate viral engagement. To make them dynamic, AI-generated motion needs to be added. Method 1. Using Halo AI. Login or sign up for Halo AI. Upload your image. Select one of the images you've created. Refine with prompts. Use the same prompt that generated the image to ensure the animation stays true to your concept. Click Generate Animation. Review the animated video and download it once you're satisfied. This step transforms the static image into a fluid AI-generated clip, making it more engaging for viewers. Repeat these steps for all your images. Step 4. Editing and enhancing the video. Even though AI generates the video, additional editing is necessary to make it stand out. Recommended free editing tools: CapCut. Best for adding text effects and transitions. DaVinci Resolve offers professional-grade enhancements. Instagram Reels Editor allows direct integration of trending sound and captions for increased engagement. Now it's time to put everything together and make it look professional. We'll use CapCut, a free and easy-to-use editing software. Editing process: import all animated AI clips into CapCut. Arrange them in order based on the ChatGPT-generated storyline. Sync the sound effects with the animations for a cinematic feel. Add captions for extra engagement. Use bold, clear fonts and place the text at the top of the screen. Apply smooth transitions between scenes. Use black fade for dramatic cuts. Adjust duration to 0.3 seconds for fast pacing. Apply final color adjustments. Increase saturation by 10% for richer visuals. Add a vignette effect, 20% for a cinematic look. Exporting settings for maximum quality resolution. 1080p frame rate, 60 FPS format, MP4. Your video is now ready to go viral. Step 5. Posting and optimizing for maximum reach. Posting content correctly is crucial for maximizing engagement and viral potential. Best hashtags to use. Some of the most effective hashtags for AI mini worker reels include Trash AI Reels, Trash Mini Worker, Shush AI Art, Shush AI Video, Shush Viral Shorts, Trash Trending Reels. Optimal posting times. Instagram, 6 p.m., 9 p.m., TikTok, 12 p.m., 3 p.m., or 7 p.m., 11 p.m. YouTube Shorts, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. For the best results, use 3 to 5 relevant hashtags and maintain a consistent posting schedule of at least 3 to 4 times per week. Final call to action. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more AI content creation tips.